These advanced, giant woodcutting machines are not only simple tools, but also an important part of today's forest product exploitation process. Let's see the power and miracles that this machine brings. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos. Let's start. Enter the realm of power with a 600 HP fella, a giant in the lumber world. With absolute power, this machine is designed for one purpose: conquering giant trees. J1070 cutter is a powerful logging machine equipped with advanced technology that easily moves in dense forests, demonstrating its logging capabilities. Steel 462 chem Smurker 30 551 chainsaw, equipped with precision and fast speed. It can handle wood quickly. With an incredible cutting range of 35 inches to 51 inches, this machine is designed for the task of felling giant trees. With a powerful 59.8 cc engine, the Noah Palaka 560 XP Mark IE is a formidable force, delivering a formidable 4.7 horsepower to conquer the toughest woods. With its rugged design and advanced features, the Mountie 4000 is the right choice for efficiency and precision in the world of logging. This massive machine processes trees into equal parts with a short period of time. Boasting incredible horsepower, the style Ms 500 easily conquers giant blocks of wood, demonstrating its superiority in practice. Senebogen 718 is a formidable force in the logging world. This logging giant easily takes down towering tree trunks, demonstrating the perfect combination of strength and precision. Embark on a journey of woodworking excellence with the 60 firewood processor, whose side discharge conveyor seamlessly turns them into firewood. With a capacity that far exceeds expectations, it can handle a significant log volume. With its incredible cutting height and flexible operating mechanism, the Senebogen 718 easily cuts through towering tree trunks with high speed and precision. This classic machine is crafted with high speed and precision, effortlessly and swiftly handling aged wood section. In a dense forest, the giant Sampo Rosenluha 46 and Kessler 18 rejoined forces to produce high results. With a staggering output of around 20-25 trees per minute, the machines handled the towering trees per minute. The machines handled the towering trees with ease. The Husqvarna 562 XP Mark IE is a true icon in the world of chainsaws. With a powerful 60.3C engine, this beast is designed to tame the wilderness. Enter the realm of advanced forestry as advanced machines sculpt the forest landscape. With an outstanding productivity of around 15-20 plants per minute, these machines embody the combination of power and innovation. The Swagtech chainsaw is designed to skillfully conquer giant blocks of wood. With its advanced bar and chain setup, it achieves unprecedented feats, delivering precision and power in every shot. The Swagtech redefines the standards of chainsaw performance, featuring extraordinary cutting capabilities, easily cutting through huge blocks of wood, demonstrating a breathtaking combination of power and precision. In cold weather, the cutting machine still works non-stop. With high speed and precision, this machine quickly defeats the giants. With the power of the A8802 speed cone splitter, it achieves excellent results in wood splitting, turning heavy logs into manageable pieces. The style Mrs. 500E is an advanced chainsaw designed to conquer huge blocks of wood with finesse. This beast delivers incredible performance, easily cutting through large logs with its advanced fuel-injected engine. Close-up of the giant log cutting process of the style MES 362 saw. Witness the Mountie 4000U with lift liner and Woody H61, a dynamic duo transforming the art of woodworking. With unparalleled precision, this machine efficiently converts large logs into small pieces, redefining efficiency in the forestry sector. The 60 chem Forspalten Starkholz is equipped with the formidable Kegelspalter Lasko done. With an incredible 60 chem splitting capacity, this machine can quickly split huge blocks of wood into small pieces of wood. Boasting outstanding capacity, the Schäfer 2 can handle large records with ease. Ford Ninen, equipped with Dearborn 22 44 wood sawing machine, is the perfect combination of muscular power and sophistication to turn them into meticulously sized wooden blocks. The powerful Echo C's 1201, with its formidable 116th engine, conquers dense forests with ease, easily cutting through towering trees and reducing them to manageable chunks of wood. The Kessler 24 IIE, combined with the Dosen 140 LC, is this dynamic duo that commands the forest, logging with ease, with precision and speed. With human creativity, a homemade machine has been created to help split logs easily. Embark on the ultimate showdown between chainsaw giants with the Stylmis 500 and 500 and Stissy, and still Mrs. 462 CM. These two machines redefine precision and cutting power. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.